Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm super excited to record just because I have been waiting for this package for a long time. Finally, it's here for what feels like a long time. Honestly, I think it took 4 days for this to ship. I do have Amazon Prime, but still, it wasn't like 2-day shipping for some reason. If you haven't heard of Polygel, these ads pop up everywhere. All over Facebook, all over Instagram, all over Twitter, literally everywhere and anywhere, all on the internet. So I figured I could even start doing my nails from home if I enjoy doing this, and possibly even taking it to the salon and maybe trying it out on clients if I get good at it. I don't know, you never know. I just want to like practice and play with it and see if it could kind of be like my new thing, you know? I love getting my nails done. I absolutely love having length to my nails. I love having cool designs and everything. And so I bought charms and I bought just different stuff. I eventually want to get like foil and different stuff, but I didn't want to go crazy in case this like isn't my thing. From what I've read, Polygel is gel and acrylic, pretty much a hybrid of gel and acrylic. I bought my UV light. This is the UV light that I chose. This is the Star 7 UV nail lamp from Amazon. I'll put the price on the screen. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but overall, I just wanted to go with something cheap to see if I like this. I just didn't want to go all out and go crazy and buy a ton of really good quality nail stuff and just hate it. So we're starting simple here. We're starting basic. It says, surprise, you won a nano moisture sprayer. Cool. Thanks, Amazon. Oh, look. They sent me nail files too. That's so cute. I didn't know that. Well, I'm gonna have a lot of nail files because I just bought a ton too. But ooh, I should probably be careful and like not drop this. Well, cute. Yeah. Baby pink. So if you guys don't know how this goes, then just keep on watching and I'm gonna show you because we're gonna get to doing my nails. But first of all, let me just show you everything that we have. So we have our nail extension gel. This is in clear. We have all of these nail extension gels. These are cute little sized bottles for sure. This is like the perfect size bottle, I guess. We have clear, bright white, natural pink, dark pink, light pink, and misty rose. So in total, getting 6 different colored gels. That's really nice. All right, we have our base gel and we have our top it off top coat. It's nice that they gave us a brush. I didn't buy one because it was coming with a brush. Our dual forms and some instructions. Look, and they gave us a file too. Okay, well then I didn't have to buy what I bought. Let me show you. I bought this whole bag of files and like buffers. I guess I don't really have to pull them out for you, but as you can see, all different kinds, couple buffers, files, and they're all different colors because I thought they were cute. We got our total nail care system. What is this? Oh, this is our drill. So I actually picked this up at Walmart because I forgot that I needed a drill. So we were out at the store, we were just like getting a few things and I wanted to look and I saw this. So it's Equate. It was literally like $10, I think. I'll put the total on the screen. I'm pretty sure it was like $10 or $11. So this can't be very good. I mean, maybe, I don't know. I'm not gonna talk down on the Equate total nail care system yet, but I don't know. I just wanted to have a drill just because, but I know you can hand file these as well. And for my first time, we'll just see how it works. Okay, we'll just see what happens. And like I said earlier, if I enjoy it, then I will spend money on a good drill. But for now, this is gonna be fine, right? Love. Oh my God, they're so cute. I can't even get over them. So we have like strawberries and I don't know, like limes, kiwis, grapefruit, dragon fruit, cherries, avocado, grapes, watermelon, like all these fruits that I thought are just so cute. And today we're actually gonna be working with the strawberries and I was gonna do like a strawberry lemonade look, but I might just stick with just strawberries. That's everything and we might as well just jump in and get started. I'm gonna quickly intercept the video just to show you guys this shirt up close. It's such good quality. I absolutely love the font and this tie-dye on it, it's perfect. I love this shirt. So Array of Creation made it for me. I will leave the Instagram here on the screen so you can go check her out. Tons of handcrafted, customizable products and lots of personalized items as well. So yeah, just quick shout out, you know. Now I already went ahead and like rinsed out from underneath my nails and everything with this cute little nail brush that came with my files and buffers. I couldn't get everything off of my nails just because they're so stained from hair dye and stuff, but I definitely did try my best. So at this point I figured we'll go ahead and start to prep my nails. And the very first thing I wanted to go ahead and do is of course push back those cuticles so that I have the cleanest nail application possible. Now I wish I had a wooden cuticle pusher because I like those so much better. They say the metal ones can be a little bit more damaging just depending on how hard, like how you use it basically. But this is the one that came in my nail kit from beauty school, so this is what we're just gonna use. And then going in and just snipping off some of that dry or dead skin around my cuticle. So of course I have my iced coffee close by just to, you know, give me a little bit of energy so I can get through this little project. And now I'm continuing to, you know, prep my nails and file and just make sure that they look as perfect as possible. A lot of my nails are in bad shape from recent acrylics, so it's gonna be hard to make them even, but I'm trying. And then just going in with this little cuticle tip of my drill or whatever. I've never used a drill before, and yes, this is like real cheap or whatever, but it works fine, honestly. So just going over my cuticle, making sure they look fresh. And now I'm just gonna get my slip solution all prepped and prepared, and I'm using it to dry out my nail beds. Now I thought we just have to open these directions. I just wanted to see what they would say, and they have this cute little, you know, picture step-by-step thing to follow, which makes it nice. So it looks like our next step is to apply this base gel. So I'm gonna apply this on my nail. I just wanna do one for starters. So we're gonna go ahead and apply it on my pointer finger. We're gonna cure it and just concentrate on one nail to start with. So now we're gonna have to pick out what nail best fits my nail shape. So I was going through them and I must have dropped this bin earlier and now they're like all shook up. So I have no idea which size is what. They're not organized at all, but this one seems to fit the best. So let's just go with this one. Time to start the actual process. So I have watched videos on this. I was so excited to get this package overall, you know, just like I said in my intro. So I'm kind of just remembering what I saw in the videos and following from that and looking over the directions too. But the very first thing we want to do is take the polygel out of this little container and put it onto the dual form. And I'm basically just going to push it around a little bit with my slip solution and make sure it fills up pretty much the entire nail. Then with my cute little strawberry charms, we're just gonna go ahead and take out maybe 2 or 3, I don't know yet, and we're just gonna stick them in the polygel. And then I think I'm just gonna continue to spread the polygel like over top of the strawberries. Just overall give me like a nice smooth form on this little nail. But then we're gonna flip it over and I'm just gonna set this right on top of my natural nail and slightly pressing down. It wasn't sticking perfect right away. And I had a little bit of an air bubble, so I'm just gonna keep pushing on it and then we're gonna stick it in the light to cure it. First thing I noticed whenever I pull it out from the light is that there is some obvious spots on the side that are just not covered in the polygel. Now I can almost blame this on the dual form not perfectly fitting my nail, which I sort of noticed. I just didn't think it was gonna be a huge deal. So anyway, I'm going in and I'm just gonna patch up the sides of my nail. I know it's really hard to see from this camera angle, but yeah, just patching it up, smoothing it over, and making sure I have all of my nail covered. And let's just clean this baby up. We gotta file her down. I wanna basically do everything to this one nail just to kind of see how the process is gonna roll. So we'll clean it up as if we're finalizing it. I wanna do a top coat and everything. So we'll just go in with this drill, clean it up a little bit, get my shape right, and go from there. Now the first one went pretty smooth, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump onto the next nail. We're gonna work on my middle finger this time. I still wanna do nail by nail, you know, do the base coat, and then go ahead and do the whole polygel nail and everything. And then we're just gonna file it down and everything and wait to do the top coat on this one. But after my pointer finger on my left hand, I went ahead and did my right pointer finger off camera, and it definitely went a lot smoother. So something I wanted to try on this finger is pre-curing my dual form. So I put that in the light the same time I did the base coat on my finger, and I'm just curing them together. I figured it might make it go a little bit smoother, and I could apply a second coat of Polygel over top of my first coat that I pre-cured. And I don't know, it did go smoother, but I'm almost trying a different technique on every single nail. So just doing a little bit of patchwork real quick. Same thing that happened to me on my first nail. That little bit on the edge that just didn't get covered with the Polygel. So I just had to go in and patch it. And I almost feel like I'm going in a little too thick with the Polygel, and you almost can't see the strawberries. But I mean, I'm learning, so we'll just see how the rest of it goes. Real quick, Channy brought me some breakfast, so just took a little quick minute to eat some breakfast and have more iced coffee. A little rejuvenation, you know. Is rejuvenation even a word? I don't know. But anyway, doing the same thing. This is just becoming a hefty process for sure, because it's not like after a couple nails you're done. You literally have 10 fingers to do. So as you've probably noticed, I'm doing my right hand completely off camera. After I do a nail on the left hand, I do one on the right. So I'm trying to learn more off camera and everything, but this I feel like is just gonna be something that I'm gonna learn to do over time. So I finished up my right hand, and I totally learned a lot of things on my right hand. I'm layering and layering this Polygel, and I'm filing a lot, and I feel like I'm just doing a lot of extra work that's not needed. So I don't know, I totally want to record more videos like this one. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to show a little bit of love. I definitely want to try this out on my toenails and just maybe see, without using a dual form, how Polygel works. We're gonna finish up my thumb on camera, and then I'm just gonna do my last finger, my pinky, off camera, instead of showing you the exact same process 5 or 10 times. I figured I'll just show you it 4 times and talk over the whole video. And you know what, throughout this whole process, what I've really noticed is I just need to cure it once. Take the dual form off and just shape it from there, instead of coating it and fixing it and fixing it. So I think my main goal is just try to be cleaner from the very beginning, and or buy tips to glue on beforehand and just free paint that Polygel. I'm not exactly sure what's going to make this process 100% easier just yet, but this was totally fun just to try and practice and everything. It's been so fun. Like, really, I can't even describe to you how good and cool I feel that I have these nails on right now. So just to finish up the whole set, I'm going to go over like a typical nail tech would do, and you know, smooth out that nail and really make sure my shape's on point, all that. Now, truthfully, I don't even know if this is an actual step or not, but I ordered these buffers, so we're gonna use them. I feel like they make nails so soft, so I just took the buffer across all my freshly done acrylics or freshly done nails, whatever you want to call them. And now we're going to take that top coat and just finalize and finish everything off. And I'm going to recoat that very first nail that I did and just like make it shinier and stuff. Just from all the dust and everything, I felt like I made it look really ratchet. So I just like fixed it up a little bit. This top coat is so smooth. That's one thing I can say about this whole Macart Polygel kit, is that every product that they gave me seems to work really, really well, and I just kind of fell in love with it. This was so cool and fun to do. So I just did a little alcohol dip to get any of that jelly or, you know, like sticky feeling off of the nail, finishing up with a little bit of cuticle oil, and we have our fresh Polygel nails.